The Goodwill Bins is about to open up. Let's go in and see what we can find. Here's some wood stuff. I might get some of these wooden utensils. I like to use them for staging. Oh goodness, they're dumping the wall over there. I need to go dig where they dumped the whole thing because I haven't been here in a few days. All right, let's go check the wall. Here's a suitcase and I see some stuff in it. Look at these pictures. I kind of like them. I really like the frames. All right, add those to the cart. Ah, he's going fast. I got distracted by this. Oh, look. I feel like people like this. Some old ribbons. I don't see anything else. I think this is just a little book. Okay, let me go look through this stuff real quick. Oh, he's dumping fast. All right, shoes, purses. All right, I might not missed out on anything. Is that a baby Yoda? It's all dirty. Cutest in the galaxy. That's what her school bag says. Maybe I can wash it. She would like this. All right, we're gonna get it. Here's some dominoes. Oh, these are some older ones. Let me get the dominoes to put in the little baby Yoda bag. Some Legos. Florals. Oh, this is cute. Okay, Ren needs this as well. She loves playing Legos. Look at this lampshade. The shape of it, it comes up a little bit at the top. Y'all see that? The pattern. This is definitely an older one, but it is so on trend right now. I don't know where I need it, but I do need it. So it is for sure going in the cart. Let's check these bins right here. Some neck gaiters. Plastic stuff, toys. I just circled back around and I saw that they had a military hat in the suitcase as well. I think somebody just donated this whole suitcase full of memorabilia, so I feel like we kind of got to keep it together. Let's see if there's anything else that I might have missed. Some socks. Are these wool military socks? You gotta, oh wait, here's another hat. You gotta check because things get moved around. Here's another hat. Does this go inside the hat? Oh, I'm gonna just put it, I'll look at it. Oh, here's another one. Special officer. I think that might be all of it. Ooh, is this an oil painting? It is not an oil painting, but it is a really pretty print. I think I'm gonna get that. Oh, here's a little marble. It's just missing the cloche, but I have a lot of those. All right, I think I'm just gonna get this. My cart is looking really pretty already, and we still have 2 walls to dig through when they restock them. What are these? Some hanging tapestries. There's another one right here. I think it's the same. Oh, these are hand painted. Not my style, so I'm gonna leave them here for somebody else. This one's all messed up. Here's a little cross-stitch piece, but it's really hard to read. This is broken. Somebody got a cart full of cute stuff, even a chair. $6 for this cute little chair. I just found this piece wrapped in the clothing. I think it goes on the wall like this, and it plugs in. It's a giant sconce. It's really pretty, but I'm gonna leave it here. All right, let's go dig. Did not find much, but at least I found something. Got a bunch of candlesticks. They were all in the same bin. Love this one. I would like a few more of these brass swirl. Gorgeous. 2 silver candlesticks, another brass one right here. I think this is pewter. And then these little silver ones. These are really heavy and they do have some details. So got all that in one bin, but nothing else over here. Now we're waiting for them to fill this wall. Well, that side was even worse. All I got is some stuff for the kids. Ren loves these little ceramic art painting kits. And then, y'all, I found a blow-up Halloween baby Yoda. You know she's gonna love that. It's gonna go in her room. She's not gonna let me put it outside. It's gonna have to go in her room with all her Halloween decor. And then I got this for Waylon. It's a tabletop foosball game. Never been opened, never been used. He's gonna love that. Well, they brought out a few new bins, but it's all clothing. Yes, I still leave my cart by itself. So that is everything that I'm gonna be getting today. I have to head out. I have other stuff I gotta get done, but I'm very excited. This is the most that I've got, I feel like, in quite a while. And I love that I was able to save some of this memorabilia for somebody, so this will be in my next vintage drop on my website, juliesdesignsandsigns.com. the first Wednesday of every month at 6 p.m. Central Standard Time. I post all the items that I thrifted for all month, so y'all be on the lookout for the next one. I'm gonna head out. I'll put a total on the screen of what I spent on this stuff, and I'll see y'all later. Bye guys.